All right, welcome back. Welcome back, money makers. This is your boy Divine, and as always, we stay making you make money. This one is called Claru, and we have different AI projects that you can potentially participate in and get paid. Now, this site is relatively new, and a lot of people don't know about Claru AI. And basically, it's just a home for creating different or giving you different projects to be able to do. It's really not that hard. All you got to do is just go to Claru AI. If you want to become an annotator or you want to become an AI project specialist or whatever you want to become, you can do it. Obviously, sometimes they might require you to have specific skills. So it's really important to have AI skills, and you can learn AI. It's not that hard. You can get certifications and anything like that. But I just wanted to bring this to you to let you know that they do have available open roles. And these are all of the roles that you see that I'm scrolling by now. They have a first person video data collector, they have a game annotator, they have a game data collector, they have an interactive environment data collector, they have a scene understanding laborer, they have a technical co-assessor, they have a ecocentric video game specialist. They have an indoor activity. And if you scroll through, you can see so many different ones. Now, I know they might sound all technical, but it's really not that hard to get into it. And what I mean by that is that you can take a bunch of certifications online, or you can train yourself to do different AI models. Just go to Gemini.com and you can take a certification, or you can have Gemini build you a certification and just take a whole bunch of AI courses, and then that will be sufficient to get into some of these ones. So it's really not that hard. I know it might seem like it's complicated, and a lot of them might not be geared to people that's not technical, but you have to learn in life, right? No one starts out learning something. I went to school for IT, so I know that it can be very competitive. But if you have the right mindset, you can do anything you want. And, I have a 4 year degree. So I know what I'm talking about. I know that it is very competitive, but I know that you can get your foot in the door, money makers. This is just another opportunity to make money from home. It says it's remote, and this role is an adversarial by design. You will probe language models to weakness by writing creative, unusual, and sometimes uncomfortable prompts designed to surface failure models. So basically, it's just training AI models to do different things at different time. And you can see the deadlines over here and all of that good stuff. But then they have something for anecdoters, which is the same thing as what I refer you back to it. So it's all of the different AI models to training different AI models. So if you like testing different AI models, it's really easy. So these are kind of the steps that you're going to do. You're going to apply, you're going to submit your profile with your skills and experience. Like I said, you can go on to, um, you can go on to Gemini, help you to create a actual course, take some really challenging courses that's related around to AI, and then use those certifications to get that. And you can even have Gemini print you out a certification or something like that. That's just the cheapest way. But if you really want to go a route where you want to be taken seriously, you can get a bunch of Microsoft certifications in AI. They have those as well. Or if you just kind of know, if you've been in the field from AI for the last 3 years, most of us haven't, but you can adapt and learn and take the skills that you did learn from IT and apply that. It's technical testing to make sure that you're training the AI models right, and that they are saying everything that they need to say in the correct way, or they following the user's prompt. And if they don't follow the user's prompt, you're going to go back and test it out. So if you have those experience, go ahead and apply to those particular ones. And then the profile review. Our team will review your background. We look for domain depth and volume. So they really look for people that can really understand and have a good understanding about AI model. It's not just about you applying and getting a job. Um, you can do that on other channels that do the real life. But this is just a gig work, and it's not guaranteed that you're going to get it. But it's good to have the experience. And then once you get the experience, then you can apply for other things that have more money. And they do get you are going to get a match, so they're going to be looking the people that needs to fill these jobs or side hustles. They're going to be looking to see if you have that experience, and if you don't have that experience, they're not going to pick you. And then you're going to start earning. You're going to walk. You're going to be able to start building up your portfolio, and other clients might reach out to you. So it's really to your advantage to do a good job with your profile. Um, and you click that apply now, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. Going to bring you to this page where it says put in your email, your password, your country, and you're going to start creating your account, and you're going to be building it. So let's just put in. Let's just create our account here so you'll be able to see, and I can walk you through the process. Country, United States. Hmm. Let's just say we can create profile, and then welcome back. And then you're going to see this particular, there's no tasks because obviously, they need to review your profile and things of that nature. But what you're going to do is you're going to go over here, and you're going to go to my profile, and then you're going to fill in all of the information that you need to fill in, like your email address, the date of birth, all of that good stuff. And then they're going to take some time to really look at your profile, because it's not easy to just get into these particular tasks without understanding that you have a good profile. They want to know if you have previous experience and like that. So it's really to your benefit to take some time to look at this and review all of the information about you and your work history. And then this is where obviously you get paid for different clients, and they're going to deposit directly the money into your account. Um, I know, and this is going to be your payment history. Um, and for security reasons, I had a friend that I'm going to have a screenshot somewhere in here where he was earning from this particular website, because he just started a couple of weeks ago. So I'm going to post a screenshot of his payout history and all of that good stuff. But it really is legit. Claru, Clarue. I hope that this has been a really insightful video for you guys. I'm gonna try to go back to making longer videos because I know you guys like that. But anyway, let me know how this goes, and I'm excited for your progress. And you can hit me up if you need any help with accessing this website. All right, bye now.